So I started this qualification at the ripe old age of 48. It was about learning new skills, not being tied to old, tired ways, and becoming a better manager for the business and the people I look after.
John, through the vocational qualification, has made a huge savings across the contact centre, particularly in efficiency and the upskilling, and that has brought 800,000 year-on-year savings for the company.
My employer has taken this qualification very seriously and used it as a catalyst to help drive improvement across the whole business.
The company has got a more positive approach and they're making investments in external qualifications, also the graduate schemes that we're offering.
My proudest achievement with obtaining this qualification has to be what it's delivered for the staff, which is better competency, multi-skilling, more job security.